There you go. Fucking jetpack.
I was thinking you went to like an amusement park, right? that's the
Yeah. I don't know. It's be a pretty cool
I got
jetpack.
my backpack packed and my shoes tied tight.
See if it makes good sound. Oh, well, quiets it down a little bit, a little baffle. These types of builds, they exist on different levels across the board. But I hope that when people, especially vehicle enthusiasts and people who do this, when they take their time and actually look this over to see how everything is done perfectly right, I hope they feel excited to see something of this level on the street.
There's a lot of emotions in these builds, and you have a rendering done of it. You show the customer gets excited, and I mean, our goal here is to make that rendering a reality.
That's fine. Well, we're gonna.
Damn, what color?
Black. With gold tips.
Welcome back. So we're back on the Lamborghini. The reason we stopped for a little while is we were waiting on the Gintani exhaust to come in. It's their new F1 series for the Revuelto. It's here. Schraber's working on getting it on, and we'll see where we go from there.
You got to do the driver's side.
I'm not doing the driver's side. It has 4 O2 sensors per side.
Per side.
They're not even far enough apart to need 2.
That's in the cap.
Well, I see that.
So now I'm asking, who's reprogramming this thing?
We're putting a dog in it now. Who's gonna reprogram it? The remote expert on our Autel scanner.
Okay.
Since we can remote access, they can log into it remote and do what we need them to do.
It's wild seeing the Lambo stripped down like this, especially Revolto. You know, everybody's done, you know, the Huracans and all of that in the past. But knowing that we're one of the first ones to do it, there's other ones out there right now. I think we're one of the first 5 in the country. I think there's one done overseas. But to actually have it in here and get to see the process and strip down is wild. You know, most people won't ever get to see it. Trying to get that damn wing off with them yelling at me. You know, they're always fucking with me about stuff. But nah, that wing was easy. That was it, you know, and all the rest of it, you know, came apart real easy. You know, this process is really simple. It's, you come up with a project, you get the client, and then you hand it to Traver and it gets done. Like, it's really simple. I don't know why everybody says these are hard.
My name is Traver Coslett. I'm the shop manager here at Sterkels Auto Design. Anything about giving us any trouble? Not really. It was just finding out where all the fasteners and clips were, but I wouldn't really say too much trouble. Stay tuned with us here and we'll be reinstalling this 1016 body kit on this Revolta.